Good morning. After a really long time, I guess, since you've seen my last vlog. So today I'm heading to Bloom in Green Festival, which is India's first transformation festival. There's a lot of things like yoga, music, handpan, a lot of workshops basically, and I'm going with a few friends from RTC, Road Trips Club Kochi chapter, and yeah, it's 2 o'clock in the morning right now. It's been a really tiring week. I mean, like, I've not slept literally almost in the entire week. And yeah, again, I'm skipping sleep today as well. So I hope I can drive safe and reach the place by at least 12. Yeah, so that's the plan. See you on the ride. Let's go. It's going to be fun for sure. I hope I can make this vlog a little bit different by putting in some cinematic elements. Yeah, I always promise this, but let's see what happens. Let's go. So we have reached the place. It's about 1 o'clock. We started at about 3 from Ernakulam, and we are finally at the place. This is a parking ground. We have to go to the main place. So yeah, there's Abhi with me, the crew for the day, crew for the next 3 days. Then there is Jess over there, and Amin as well. So yeah, let's go to the venue. We have to do the registration and I guess a few things. Pretty hot and pretty sunny. Let's see how it turns out to be in the evening. Abhi, how do you think this 3 days is going to be?
I think it's going to be exciting.
Let's go. So this is the way to the venue. We are walking, we crossed that and we are walking through here. Fun. Nice place. Totally green. And those who see my vlog know that how greens are to me. Okay. Problem with Crocs is that stones get accumulated between your feet. So yeah, almost about to reach the venue, I guess. And there is another one, another friend from RTC, whose name is Renji. He said that it's a walkable distance from the parking, but it doesn't seem like a walkable distance. So yeah, reach the venue. Lot of camps. Just how does it feel like?
It's great.
Camp village. Okay. Tents all around the place. Okay, so let us just register and settle down and we'll get back. We'll continue after that. Stay tuned.
One day soon, we got this.
This is my tent. This is Abhi's tent actually. Abhi will have 2 other people with him. Just a minute, let me hold this properly. And that's our tent over there. So we are just packing, keeping the stuff here, and going to explore the menu. Yeah, so that's it. We're just getting settled down a bit. Got to dress down a bit, but yeah, it's okay for now. So it's the second day. Yesterday we had the concerts and stuff like that, and we were hanging out with Candida Louis. Actually, I couldn't get her on the vlog, but yeah, you can see her in the snippets of videos that I took during the concert. So yeah, we were hanging out here, taking a few photos and stuff like that, and right now I'm out for breakfast. It's really a nice vibe over here. I haven't been to any workshops yet. It's just the photography workshop that I attended, so looking forward to attending a few workshops today. And yeah, let me have breakfast and we'll catch up on the way. Let's go.
like a shift in the flow. A change coming, it's inevitable. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. Flee the night.
So it's 5:30 in the evening. I was listening to some reggae music. I've never listened to reggae music before. Everyone's like going crazy, man. There are people from different age groups, and everyone's like chill kind of dance. So yeah, I'm heading to the tent. I'm just confused between getting fresh and getting fresh. Okay, taking a shower right now or taking it later after the whole dance thing is over. Just want to freshen up. I feel a little bit weird. I don't know. It's because I'm sweaty, I guess. So let me see. I'll just figure that out and we'll see you back on the ground. Okay, see you then.
അതല്ല അത് ഗ്രീഷ്മയല്ല ഗ്രീഷ്മ ഇവിടുത്തെ കോർഡിനേറ്റർ ആണ് നാളെ ആ ഗ്രീഷ്മ പോയി
പോയി.
ഇത് ആ ഗ്രീഷ്മയല്ല, ഇത് വേറെ ഗ്രീഷ്മ. ഇത് എന്നോട് പഠിച്ച ഗ്രീഷ്മ.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ശരി. How was Bloomingreen?
Hello.
How was Bloomingreen?
It was good. I'm still waking up.
So we are here at the final day of Bloomingreen. I just had breakfast. He's yet to have it. There is this human energy and body balance workshop. So we're going to be attending that. You will be. It wasn't a proper vlog, I know. It was like
On and off
kind of vlog. Yeah. So it's more of a video rather than a vlog. Let's see what comes out of it.
We were enjoying the scene.
Yeah. I'm not into party and stuff, but yeah, this was like a mix of party and chilling, I guess. So kind of managed. So yeah, let's attend the workshop. See you later.
You were always smarter. I was the one to tag along.
Any final notes?
Final notes? Yes. I don't know what to say, man.
So Bloomingreen is officially over and we are heading back, and if there's something interesting on the way, we will get back. So just how was Bloomingreen?
It was great. Great. Yeah, great.
Good. Enjoyed a lot.
Yeah.
You can see it in his eyes.
He's still in the zone, man.
He's still in the zone. Oh, my eyes are fine, by the way.
Okay.
Okay, so
say hi
yeah.
to this vlog.
Hey, hi.
This is Kritika. It's a very fun person. How was
It was
Blooming
nice
Green?
meeting you guys.
Yeah.
It was so memorable to.
That's Shivani.
Hi.
So how was Blooming
So
Green for you
keep
guys?
in touch.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Stuff. Yeah. So now bloom in eyes.
So we are the bloomers. We
Yeah,
call,
we are
we
the
call ourselves bloomers.
Where's that guy?
Yeah, founder of Bloom.
Hello.
Bharat! Come on, man. Come here.
So that's
That's
Bharat.
Bharat.
He's the founder of Bloomers.
Picking up his
So signing out, guys.
Hashtag Bloomers.
Hashtag Bloomers.
Hashtag Bloomers, right? Watch us live every Saturday night. Right? We officially declare the Bloomin' Green closed.
Bhaskar.
Next year, different organic
Oh,
farm,
boy.
different time, same crew. Whoa!
That's a guy who vlogged it. That's Bhaskar.
That is Bhaskar, cross country runner, Bhag Milka Bhag Part 2.
Swimmer
Okay.
with all his cuts.
Okay, so that's it. We'll see you on the road again. Bye.
Subscribe us on our yet to open
Launch
YouTube
channel. That'll be another channel.
The Bloomers. Instagram page again yet to open. The Bloomers.
He's the weekend traveler.
Yeah, I travel on weekends.
Yeah. Got this.
To travel only on weekends.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay then.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye,
See you
see you.
guys.